Yes, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Anyway, you watch me from, and me, your brother, Comrade Stanley Sazosa, good day. Today, I say make I come use this opportunity to send one quick message to one John Mayaki, former Chief Press Secretary of the State Government, where they later take go observer. He come from look and say observer, money not day. Now he personally withdrew. But as at now, I can't surprise say this same John Mayaki, because of his desperation, run start with the support to Sage Ize-Iyamu. As the support to Sage Ize-Iyamu, which is his right, whether we like it or not, every human get right to their own personal activities and conscience. Hello, I did live video. I'll call you back immediately if I true. All right, bro. Okay, bro. Yes. Now the John Mayaki. What made me want to come out today, so this John Mayaki is supposed to get him right. But again, one year statement where he go right, come on, say him, say Oshomoli, Captain Osa, and the Oba of Benin collectively plan say they want to deal with Obaseki politically. First, I want to make all the people hear this one say that John Mayaki na heavy liar. He even went as far as paying the Nation newspaper to bring that information. Come on. There is no way our most respected Oba would join one of his son against the other. The palace is always 100% independent of politics. Now, so John Mayaki fit come out, they use their own personal family member to do all those nonsense. He should stop dragging our respected traditional institution into his dirty politics. Mokuna go send this message to them. Make it stop those nonsense. Now, so I see some of them, they come out on social media, they say, why will you be, this one, so person is attacking Captain Osa. Someone say, why you attacking Captain Osa? Someone say, well, Captain Osa, a man that have helped him. Even on ITV today, my brother who me and the guy program, Mr. Felix Osewegi Seri, he say, a Captain Osa that have helped people, and you can't begin to wonder. If you don't want to make people talk to you, remove your hand for politics. You cannot engage in political activities and you say maybe the rest of people keep mute because say you get your personal money. Another man money in a picture. Once you decide to be part and parcel of the political process, you must be ready to receive what they follow the politics at the same time. Like me now, for example, now I'll post on social media finish. I'll expect everybody to come to talk say, you be great man. People will talk come, they'll say you are a fool. You be mumu, see your head, see dizzy. I cannot attack them or go insult them. Because me, we post on social media, I should be able to expect, say, there must be multiple or divergence in terms of reaction. So if individual begin to say, why did you do this? What did you do? I have no right whatsoever to attack those individuals because now me post for Facebook. Everybody cannot begin clap for only me. At least there are some people who go see oppose me. Now make me say, so if the likes of Captain Osa continue to say they want to talk for politics, he should be ready to receive what is associated with politics. Don't they see it too big? I too big for his head. So I am using the opportunity to call on John Mayaki. I beg, I not get that right whatsoever to stop you from your political activity, but I have that right as a free-born indigenous of the Edo nation, of the Benin nation, to tell you say desist from such action because we might not take it easy next time. Not gonna bring unnecessary lies. They use the palace and they say propaganda. Then I saw my brother one using to say propaganda for ITV. Say they are not sponsoring Proxy account to attack the tradition, the palace. Nobody can do that. He now still them for that is the Amukan. Now they use those Proxy attack go to the attack the palace. As they attack the palace, though they claim they say now from government camp in the come, whereas now they do this thing to stir hate and to create problem between the palace and the government of Edo State. But thank God, after the admonition by the palace, the governor came up publicly to tell everybody, say, please desist from any activities that may result to violence. Our papa don't talk to us. Our papa say we will ensure say peace day. And as a government, we almost recognize the fact that say The government's primary responsibility is to secure life and property of all citizens. You will not expect Obaseki himself, who is a sitting governor, to personally destroy his own administration with insecurity. So when you are talking about insecurity, you must look at the opposition, because now them want to get into power at all costs. Information reached me yesterday. Immediately I finished my live video. He said, I will tell the people, say this, he said, you know, this kind of thing, he said, Mona go work, Mona no worry. And food man, and he said, I'll just carry food man, they look, when this is my last opportunity to run for an election, it is a do or die affair. I cannot fold my job. So we already know, say, now desperation. Now this will take the push forward. Now on ITV today, I still the boy say, well, Captain say, mother have worked, mother have done that. I say, how many you don't have? How many you they carry along? Go? Say you want break record, do ya? Go fence your village. Obasanjo no fence the village. Atiku no fence the village. If you want break record, go fence your village. People who dey your area, they don't see water, they say that they go to drink water for stream. I tell them point blank, I say, come. If you say this man, what he don't do, now road he don't tap. We don't say that they ascribe man to his own name. Now, if you look the video where he make that very day, and from the beginning to the end, I want to discover ITV, I tell you, so from the beginning to the end, not where you for here, hour. It is all about meh. The president came, the president came, instead of him to come to my farm, he came to my farm. He was in the car, in my farm, in my, because of that, because of your personal interest, because of your personal interest, you want to now topple an administration in the state. Meh, without taking off our interest. Meh, without thinking of our interest. So I just want to use the opportunity to take advice on this boy. They say, sorry to say, we not this time not the time we take attack any tribe, but Benin's we will know before. The Edos will not the run follow money. We know the run follow money. Another man money in a picture. If like the money they throw away for your account, you are as I day, not be my own. So we not get time for. But again, if they say they get money, my brother, I'm gonna activate a chopping skill. Wala Lord, I will say, eat your money, don't vote for them. Now your money. We recall what happened when President Goodluck Jonathan will lose power. If not be seen from a door here, these same people when they make money, because they say billionaires suppose they prison. When they face case, when they get issue with federal government, pipeline, we don't know. But more live story. So if we not they celebrate some people, more not they celebrate them with similar right. But to us, we don't really talk and say Edo can never go back to Egypt. And then we always say, how many you don't have? How many you they carry along? Go? Now which one you they buga? You they carry shoulder. Oh. Now which one you they buga? You they carry shoulder. Oh. How many you don't have? How many you they carry along? How many you don't have? How many you they carry along? Share you one break record, oh yeah. Go fence your village. Atiku no fence the village. Obasanjo no fence the village. Now which one you they buga? You they carry shoulder up. So the truth of the matter is simple. The reason why we talk this one, let me tell you in case you are not aware. Everybody for Edo State, go reach the governor, every human being in this state, now one vote all of us get. No one man, no one woman get the power to tell anybody, say, now maybe this, maybe if we go vote here, 0. And not get past 1 vote. You not get past 1 vote. Osomole came to Edo there, he say 1 man, 1 vote, 1 woman, 1 vote. But under Osomole today, now 1 man, 2,000 votes. But in this case, if it were for any other place across the country, but for you see it has, it go hard for them to do one for here. We not agree. That is why it is difficult for you to kill. What do they call this? Way they say they near brokers. What do they call it for English again? Says a flag. For you to kill, if you hold you, if you want you for your testes, if you want hitter, you don't use sense. Because if you hit her, you fit move yourself. Now be this one. So when it comes to it, don't even say you feel the do for anywhere. You know if you do here because all the lieutenants when you depend on now here the day. Now here the day. And I don't want to make noise. And make all of them wait. So if you see them and they talk with overconfidence, we will win. Now I challenge one of the boys from media. Second, he said my very close brother and my friend. Now say if you think say you too believe say is I'm popular. Not the whole he say number one he say he want to he say yeah the government can coerce anybody. Like we tell the teacher go and rally for me, we tell the doctors and the other go and rally for me. Yeah, you will force them to rally for you. So the rallies that you are seeing on the street is because of the fact that the government is forcing them. And I ask him a simple question: is the government still forcing people in diaspora to organize rally in support of the governor? Is the governor feeding a dose in the diaspora? As we speak, diasporas have committed more resources into this election than anybody put together. Diaspora, in fact, diaspora has spent more money in these elections than any of the politicians. All the politicians where they now collect, they collect. They collect money. They collect. Diaspora did not collect it then. They spent money. They spent money. This is the first of its kind for the whole Edo to speak with one voice. Oshomole, Izeyamu, and the one way they call himself billionaire, they are minority. That money will fail. They did the same thing in the year 2012. They were spending money. The same place where they cast with make money with money. So now bring money, they finish the money, no win. Last time when House of Assembly matter reach, House of Assembly election, now he want the state call me bring on that money. As he want bring money, 9 years so people they call and say in a money misruled. Now some of us go media go even defend that last season. So we already know. So not more than if that money where the bobo then or ye be bobian bobo or ye be bobian that money. You know, if you look down, that is the principle of landlord. Oh, now chopper. You go see and say money no work. When you want to gain the money back. When you don't pray a fire, and you want to take, go and come and tell Edo people, say, Edo people, go and tell Edo people, say, Edo people, this now where I want to get the money back. We want to know, is there any businessman where they engage with business where they think of profit maximization? Where you say, I want to engage into this business, may I for lose? You know, so if they are spending billions, then if they spend 40 billion, they are going to get 200 billion. From your money. Then for today, I'm not talking for activity. The reason why they fight the government is say the government not refuse to share money. Now the boy ask me say, who say make you share money? Made the government share money. Now say okay, I want to list. They not let me list them. I will list them. In fact, if I want to list them, now you go even know them by yourself. Now people come out for this state come to say, I beg you. We need a politician to be governor. A politician that can call me my name Stanley, he can call this one Ebas, he can call this one Edukbaye, he can call the next man here. Not be politician when we say because he not going to know us. Person will not going to know. Very soon, if we let this man come for second time, he go drive us, we'll come go to look for another work. Whoa, lane. That's what you say. They don't get any other thing. They believe in making the state resources dry. But I bless God today. Majority of our youth said, don't they wake up, including me, where joined they sleep before too. Me don't see wake up. This is the time for us to take the lead. We don't agree. Not every time we take the queue behind people. Make them still go rest. We don't already conclude here. I said, those people will collectively send them into a sabbatical leave, a compulsory pension without gratuity, a compulsory pension without payment of gratuity. We're going to send them into a political sabbatical leave for sure. For sure. Nobody be mumu, nobody be good. Obaseki has done well. They're not they see the area where for do well. Go and check them from the beginning to the end. When they make a people till they love them, you see. When they give analysis, they only give damage. They never want to talk say, actually, it had this road. Now the question is when they come in Bubaoka, now they ask the Secretary of State Government, Barrister Sadio Ogi Esquire, come ask questions. Say, who tell Loki way road? Everybody say Obaseki. Who tell Son Savior road? Everybody say Obaseki. Who tell Ukabere road? Everybody say Obaseki. Who tied this one? Who tied this one? Who bring Osiamo power plant? Who do this one? Across the trees in the total district of Edo State. The presence of this man is there in 3 years. And they want them, they compare him with Oshiomhole government who spent 8 years. As we speak, Obaseki 3 years don't surpass Oshiomhole in terms of economic prosperity and development. Now they know, say, if the man continue, then let's be sincere to us. If Obaseki win this election, he will pepper many people. He will pepper many people. Now the fact. The people who go pepper be say, all people who believe say they will continue to the now don't money they wanted to leave at the detriment of the people, they can never get it. Okay, give me the volume. Yesterday, I'm glad to show you now. Yesterday, when they go Uwelu, Peppers go campaign, you need to see the way people take the way they ooh. Give me, no worry, you know. You get brightness, brighter. No worry. Just take time. I go show you now. My VCR will be preparing for me. Make I show you what I put to the for will. They have been rejected. For if I can, sorry. They go hide all those ones. They know show you. See, for their campaign, they get 4+4 people follow. Una see now which level of the height of humiliation for their own campaign as they come, they everybody shout 4+4, 4+4, talk back 4+4, 4+4. You hear them? Share them people your word, man, collect and man post them where the man send out give some bloggers, make they see them. You see them? So see for yourself. Now, Mona not just shake. Nobody fearing they do election. The head of INEC no fit. Nobody fit. No your worry. So now that one just be their goal. Even for their own campaign, people they say they have been rejected. They know only the thing where they plan now be say they will want say they want in the election. How you want to turn 1 to 2 when people not give you chance? No your worry. Come and win the election in a free and fair contest. Desperate set of people. So the message is very clear. When I advise John Mayaki, may not try that nonsense again. No? Carry up a palace name. They say the palace and this thing. How on earth? I beg. Hello, I'll call you immediately after this program. I'm on a live video. I'll call you immediately, please. Please, I want to round up now. So that's the point. The truth is, like if you see Captain Osa now, but the paper and where you don't want to make. Hello, good morning. Please, I'm on a live video. I will call you immediately after this program, please. Thank you, sir. So that is the point. You see, I think see the whole call when I receive yes. Oh, na those in diaspora. They are mainly concerned about these elections. As we speak, many don't enter town. You must pay about how many over 170,000 naira to the land for Nigeria to check you, and for COVID-19 they check all of they enter. Many they quarantine now. Before the election they don't fall flat. Everywhere go full. They break everywhere box. They break everywhere stew. They break everywhere pepper soup. Now, man, show you what people they do for town. So if you think they go fearing gun, if you not more, everybody know. They are wasting their time, you know. Let me show you. Una advise them, make they go also. All those. Now small pikin be this. His name is Advocate. Listen.
Why you dey happy? Why you dey dance? Who you vote for? Who you go vote for? 4+4. Obaseki. Sing now.
You hear am? Evil children. Oyomobo. They say 4+4. Ogba. No worry. This by the power of God. I get some campaign when I want to carry out this evening. You just see with your eyes. No need for noise. You see with your eyes. Don't forget now. Say this time I mark, not ear mark. You see with your eyes. But the message this morning is very clear. May they go advise that Mayaki. May manage himself. May not. I not get right whatsoever to caution her for any of the political activity. But I get right to caution her when he want to drag our most respected traditional institution we don't protect for years into the backwater of political decadence. We don't want it. So admonition should be sent to him. Advise those other who they say they took their money, may they go fence their village, or they may they do road, they go their village. They may they provide water, then their own house where they for burn them. Where done the fall, may they go fish some. Then they'll fit come back on the thought of the year. You will never feel your evil feelings. You want to take over Edo State. It can't work that way. May God bless Edo people worldwide. May God bless Edo people domiciled in Edo. May God bless the government of Edo State. Oba talk, hey, he said, it's me, your brother, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Sazo, and I say a big bye for now. Please, if you have not shared this video, ensure you share before you leave. If you have not shared, ensure you share before you leave. Bye for now. Thank you. Osako no in the building.